To turn on or turn off record trace in Samsung Galaxy S20, open settings, swipe up or down home screen to access the app screen. Then tap settings. You can also open settings screen from notification panel. Swipe down notification panel and then tap settings icon. Scroll down settings screen, find developer options. And then tap developer options. Scroll down developer options screen, find system tracing. And then tap system tracing. To enable record trace, tap switch until blue, or to disable, tap switch until gray. Tap switch until blue to enable, or tap switch until gray to disable. Then you can tap here to share record tracing, but you must be careful. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.